Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican inspiring short film Unbroken took home the prize for Best Documentary Short Film at this year's staging of the Trinidad and Tobago Film Festival. Unbroken, directed by Gabriel Blackwood, is based on the true story of a Jamaican amputee, Lauren Williamson, who defied the odds and qualified for the Jamaican Olympic rowing team. Gabrielle was content with her film being selected as the winner this year.
Makes me really happy about this win is really the effect it has had on Laron, the subject of the film, and he's completely overwhelmed and over the moon, and he's just happy knowing that his story has been well received and appreciated by people across the Caribbean and even more so the world, and it almost validates his struggle and this journey that he has been on.
She also shared the creative process behind the project.
So in 2018, late 2018, I was contacted by Get to Images and New Wave Jamaica, and they wanted to do a short story, more of like a slice of life of somebody in Jamaica, and they gave me the options of choosing between the arts, music, sports and culture. And when in researching sports, a friend of mine brought to my attention the newly formed rowing team, and then I spoke with the coach and he brought Laron's story to my attention. So Coach Robert Scott was very integral in the process of the making of Unbroken, so kudos to him as well.
The Jamaican film industry was well represented at the virtual festival, with 5 Jamaican or Jamaican-themed films being screened at the event. Among them were No Place Like Home, A Filmmaker's Odyssey, and In the Yard, The Soul of Jamaica. This year's festival and award ceremony was streamed live on social media platforms due to COVID-19 restrictions. Now, the Queen of Stage, Spice, has announced her very own clothing line titled Gracie Noir. Spice shared the news yesterday with her fans on Instagram. In her caption, she stated that she decided to start her clothing brand called Gracie Noir, as she has had many clothing stores across Jamaica called Spicy Couture over the last decade. However, online is now the new lifestyle, and it's much easier to reach fans across the world. Spice recently launched her Faces and Laces brand, and last month dropped the song Inches as part of her marketing campaign for Faces and Laces online store. The video is currently trending at number 28 on YouTube with over 1.5 million streams. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.